The ThinkOne X1 Carbon laptop offers a touch option, but if you really want a touch screen, then the ThinkPad X1 Yoga should be your choice. Updated for 2018, the X1 Yoga brings all the power of the ThinkPad X1 Carbon laptop to a slim and light convertible design. So why get the X1 Yoga over a touchscreen X1 Carbon laptop? For one, it's a full convertible, equipped with 360-degree hinges. But it also brings a much better touchscreen than the standard laptop, jumping from a standard 14-inch 1080p display to a high-res 2560 by 1440 panel with eye-popping Dolby Vision HDR. The X1 Yoga equals its Carbon sibling in basically all other ways, with the latest Intel Core i5 or i7 processors, Intel UHD graphics 620, up to 16 GB of RAM, and up to 1 TB of SSD storage. It even has 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 3 ports and another 2 USB-A ports, and mini Ethernet and integrated global LTE-A. Lenovo has carried over a key hardware innovation from last year's Yoga X1 to this third generation. When you flip it around into tablet mode, the keys retract and lock into the deck to offer a flat and solid surface for you to grip. No more wiggly keys under your fingers. All of this gorgeous high-tech design doesn't come cheap. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga will hit shelves in January of 2018 with a starting price of $1,889. I'm Derek with Windows Central. We'll have plenty more from CES 2018, so go ahead and subscribe to this channel for the latest, and thanks for watching.